In this video lecture, we are going to see Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives. In the last lecture, we have seen that Cauchy's integral formula and some examples based on it. So we have to recall Cauchy's integral formula. What is that? If f of z is analytic function inside and on closed curve C of simply connected region R, and if z0 is any point within C, then f of z, that is the formula, Cauchy's integral formula, f of z0 equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integral over C f of z divided by z minus z0 dz. This is very important formula. By using this formula, we are going to see the Cauchy's integral formula for further derivatives. So if we differentiate 1 with respect to z0, we get f dash of z0 in LHS. So we are interested to find the derivative under the integral sign with respect to the parameter z0. So this will be 1 upon 2 pi I. So this integral is dependent on z0, okay. So this is d by dz of f of z divided z minus z0 dz, as this is function of z, this is function of z and z0. So there is no change in f of z and dz. So let me write in the next step 1 upon 2 pi I integral over C d by dz0. This will be f of z into z minus z0 bracket raised to minus 1 into dz, that is equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integral over C. So f of z is independent of z0, hence it is a constant with respect to z0. So there is no change in the derivative of f of z here. Now derivative of this bracket is equal to minus 1 into z minus z0 raised to minus 2 into derivative of this bracket is with respect to z naught is minus 1 into dz. Do you understand? Now is equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integral over C f of z minus 1 into this minus 1 becomes plus 1, and z minus z0 bracket raised to minus 2 is nothing but 1 upon z minus z0 bracket square into dz, that is f dash of z0 equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integral over C f of z divided by z minus z0 bracket square dz. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now differentiate 2 with respect to z0 under the integral sign. We get double derivative of f and is equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integral over C. F of z is constant and derivative of 1 upon z minus z naught bracket raised to 2 is minus 2 into z minus z naught bracket raised to minus 3 into minus 1 dz. So that will be equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integral over c f of z, that is 2 upon z minus z naught bracket cube dz, that is 2 is nothing but 2 factorial, 2 factorial divided by 2 pi I into integral over c f of z divided by z minus z naught bracket cube into dz. This is the third equation. F double dash of z naught is equal to 2 factorial divided by 2 pi I into integral over c f of z divided by z minus z naught bracket cube dz. So from equation 2 and 3 we have seen that. So from equation 2 I would like to write this one as 1 factorial. 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2. Okay. Suppose we want to differentiate third equation. Now differentiate 3 with respect to z naught, we get. So third derivative in the LHS is equal to 2 factorial divided by 2 pi I into integral over c. F of z is constant and derivative of 1 upon z minus z naught bracket cube with respect to z naught is minus 3 into z minus z naught bracket raised to minus 4 into derivative of z minus z naught is minus 1 into dz. So that will come. So multiplication of minus 3 with minus 1 is positive 3. Positive 3 into this 2 factorial becomes 3 factorial divided by 2 pi I into integral over c f of z into 1 upon z minus z naught raised to 4 dz. Okay, this is equation number 4th. So from equation 1 to 3 and 4 we have the generalized formula as nth derivative of function f with respect to z naught is equal to n factorial, because here we have third derivative, hence 3 factorial. Here it is nth derivative, hence it is n factorial divided by 2 pi I into integral over c f of z divided by z minus z naught raised to n plus 1 into dz. So this is the next derivative. Okay. In general, we may write nth derivative of the function f with respect to z naught is given by n factorial divided by 2 pi I into integral over c f of z divided by z minus f we have. So nth derivative of the function f with respect to z naught is equal to n factorial divided by 2 pi I integral over c f of z divided by z minus z naught raised to n plus 1 dz. Okay, so that's it. Now we will solve some examples. Evaluate integral over c z square plus z divided by z square minus 1 dz, where c is a circle mod z equal to 2. Solution. C is a circle mod z is equal to 2, has a center 0 0 and radius 2. Now z square minus 1 is equal to 0 gives z minus 1 into z plus 1 equal to 0. That means z equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 1 are the zeros oblique roots of z square minus 1 equal to 0. Clearly, both the zeros are inside mod z equal to 2, because if you draw a circle having radius 2 is something like that. Okay, plus 1 is here and there is minus 1. Okay, so both the roots or zeros are inside the circle C. Hence hence we use partial fraction to reduce 1 upon z square minus 1 into or is equal to a upon z minus 1 plus b upon z plus 1. So I am going to write this. Now see what happened. So is equal to a into z plus 1 plus b into z minus 1, okay, divided by z minus 1 into z plus 1. In the LHS we have already z is 1 upon z square minus 1. So comparing LHS with RHS, denominator is same, hence numerator is also same, that is 1 equal to a into z plus 1 plus b into z minus 1. Now to obtain the value of a, we may put z is equal to 1 in above equation. Suppose this equation is number 1. So 1 equal to, because LHS is independent of z, hence there is no change in LHS. 1 equal to a into 1 plus 1 plus b into 1 minus 1. That will vanishes because it goes to 0. Therefore 1 equal to a into 1 2. Therefore a is equal to 1 upon 2. Now to obtain value of b, put z is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. We get 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus 1 plus b into minus 1 minus 1. So this will vanishes because minus 1 plus 1 0. Automatically this will goes to 0. So 1 equal to minus 2 times b, hence b equal to minus 1 upon 2. Is it? Therefore, let me write this equation as a star. Therefore, equation star becomes therefore equation star becomes 1 upon z square minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 divided by z minus 1 plus minus 1 upon 2 divided by z plus 1. That is equal to 1 upon 2, 1 upon z minus 1. Here it is minus 1 upon z, 1 upon z square minus 1 is reduces in this type of equation called equation 2. Here f of z is equal to 3z square plus z, which is analytic, inside, and on closed curves. Therefore, integral over c 3z square plus z divided by z square minus 1 dz is equal to integral over c 3z square plus z into 1 upon 2 1 upon z minus 1 minus 1 upon z plus 1 into dz. So is equal to, this is the value of 1 upon z square minus 1 from 2, I think. So that's equation 2. So from 2 we have like this. So that will be 1 upon 2 integral over c 3z square plus z divided by z minus 1 into dz minus 1 upon 2 integral over c 3z square plus z divided by z plus 1 dz. So our integral is converted into sum of or subtraction of two integrals over which we are going to find. Now let's see, both the roots are inside, as this is nothing but 1 upon 2 and value of this integral is nothing but f of 1 into 2 pi I minus 1 upon 2 into f of minus 1 into 2 pi I. That is equal to 1 upon 2 f of 1, as f of z is, here we have, as f of z is equal to 3z square plus z, then f of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 1, that is 4 into 2 pi I minus 1 upon 2. F of minus 1 is 3 into minus 1 square is 1, 3 minus 1. So that is 2 into 2 pi I. Here it is 2 to get cancelled. Hence this will be equal to, this is equal to 4 pi I minus 2 pi I. That is 2 pi I. Hence the value of integral over c 3z square plus z divided by z square minus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi r. Is it? Okay.